Pumpkin seeds are small but mighty for prostate health. Packed with zinc, magnesium, and antioxidants, they're a natural way to support prostate wellness. Let's explore how to include them in your diet. Rich in zinc and phytosterols, pumpkin seeds support urinary function and help reduce the risk of prostate enlargement. These nutrients make them a powerful addition to your meals. Add pumpkin seeds to salads for a satisfying crunch and nutrient boost. Try them on leafy greens or quinoa bowls. Blend them into smoothies with spinach, banana, and almond milk for a creamy, nutrient-packed drink. Roast pumpkin seeds with sea salt or spices for a tasty snack. Toasting enhances their flavor, making them a great alternative to chips. Include them in granola bars, muffins, or breads for a healthy, crunchy texture. Pumpkin seed oil is nutrient-rich and perfect as a salad dressing or drizzled over roasted vegetables. For a quick snack, sprinkle seeds over yogurt with berries and honey. Add pumpkin seeds to oatmeal, trail mix, or pasta dishes for a nutritional upgrade. They're versatile and easy to incorporate into any meal, supporting prostate health naturally. For more insights and strategies, make sure to check out the first link in the comment section. Thanks for watching.